Now let's see if the hiccups have gone.
Let's see how many people laugh at the video of that on Facebook.
That's what they told me at work one day. I was sat there at work like this, going like that, drinking water.